Hello and welcome everyone once again to Saturday Night Games. I am your host for this evening, man has no nickname, and we're gonna get into, as you see from the title, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now, I like the fact that they've been continuing a lot of these older movies, um, whether it's a sequel or reboot. Sometimes they could be, yeah, it is what it is. Candyman wasn't too bad. So hopefully this is not going to be that bad. So let's go ahead and get into it. Um, it's set in modern time, for the most part. The synopsis states in this sequel, influencers are looking to breathe life into a Texas ghost town, and they encounter Leatherface, an infamous killer who wears a mask of human skin. Obviously, we know what the premise of Texas Chainsaw Massacre is, but it's set in modern times. So let's see what goes on here and what surprises we get. So without further ado, let's get into it. So essentially, is based off a true story, or based off true events. Um, they stretched the truth a bit out because I believe the guy that was actually doing the killings, he it wasn't that serious, but he was killing people out there. So they knew his name and everything like that. Here, this guy wears a leather face, people skin, and wields a chainsaw, all that other crazy shit. So it's true though. Everybody trying to gentrify old towns and shit. These motherfuckers are getting ready to do that, and they're gonna get fucked up. What's crazy is that I've seen details of a Texas Chainsaw Massacre game that's gonna be similar to like the Friday the 13th game, and it looks very similar to this. So they most likely have a hand in hand relationship with that. Oh, yo! Oh my god! Yo! Oh shit! Already caught him. Oh! Holy shit! His whole face, bro. Oh my god. Oh! Yo, what the fuck? Oh! They fucking showed us. He turned my man's head to mush. Run for your life. Oh! He fucking threw the hammer at her. Don't open the door. You should have closed the door, rap. Bruh. They all take out their phones. Get the fuck out of there. And he did a live stream, bruh. My man got sliced in half. Yo, he's like throwing limbs around. Oh! She got cut in half.
Say you know me. Say you know what you did to my friends.
What are you doing? You had him dead to rights. He was sitting down.
I'm the one that got away, and I'm here to make sure you don't.
And then he just runs away. What? Oh, she's about to go after him? All right. happened to your leg, bitch? Oh! He threw the fucking chainsaw at her. Oh! Oh shit! Oh! Well, he went back to the house. I found it strange that he was in an orphanage because that wasn't the story. The story was that they were in the area, they saw the house, and the chaos ensued. These people are in the middle of the town, and they're there getting ready to gentrify the town, so they're auctioning off the properties and things like that. And my man just goes buck wild as he usually does. Leatherface, you did it again. Um, Again, it's the same thing over and over again. We're gonna get, even if it was updated or rebooted or whatever the case may be, it's always the same thing. Hack and slash, kill people, gore, gore, gore. But it's fun. It's fun. It kept me on the edge of my seat. I mean, I already knew what was coming. Uh, what more can you ask for? If you love horror and you love the excitement, you love the killings and all that, this is the movie for you, obviously. Um, Rating, if I were to give it a rating for anything, maybe a 7 out of 10. Just because, originality, as well as you you had points where you could have literally just killed him. Sally could have offed him when he was sitting down. She could have took the shotgun to the face, but she wanted him to turn around, say her name, and all this. She thinks she fucking Heisenberg in this bitch.
Now, say my name.
So, yo, do yourself a favor next time. Shoot the motherfucker in his face. No mercy. No mercy. He didn't show no mercy to nobody. Why should you show him mercy? Why should you get that satisfaction? Your satisfaction is blowing his motherfucking head off. That's your satisfaction. But no, she let him just walk right past, right past her. She followed him out. He went to attack the girls, and then she gets a freaking chainsaw to the chest. How she survived that and was still bucking off shots is beyond fucking me. But you did nothing. You would have served your purpose if you would have came towards the ending, more towards the ending of the film, and then blew my man's head off. This leaves it open for another movie. Do I want to see another one? Probably not. But again, they're fun to watch. So 7 out of 10, I'd give it, give or take. Uh, Let us know what you think. Comments down below. Like, share, subscribe, all that other good stuff. Our shows are live Wednesdays on Twitch and YouTube, so you guys can catch us here, or you guys can catch us on Twitch. Official True Story Bro all together, and come have some fun with us. But besides that, this has been Man Has No Nickname, and we have enjoyed another Saturday Night Nightmares. Have a good night.